God, this was the best cable car experience I ever had. This is day 2 in Phu Quoc. Last night I bought a trip to 3 Island, and this trip includes visiting 3 islands through cable car and boat. I have already been picked up by the tour service company, and now I am on my way to the cable car station.
First, the second, the flow way of the water. The captain, no, I don't know. I'm not the fisherman. I'm not a fisherman. I don't know this thing. I just know that I need to bring you to the cable car and 4 islands. Yes. The island name later, the captain, he will say, you know, you read on the brochure, you can see in the corner, the weather, depend on the weather, the island will be changed. But I'm sure it will be safe and very beautiful. Okay, not the, oh, what is that? Is that an island? Will not have such a case like that, don't worry. This will be a very beautiful place for you to visit.
I just got off the bus. We are at the cable car station, and I'm going to show you the station and its whereabouts.
Baby, let's just pretend I wanna stay like this forever. I wanna stay right here with you. I wanna stay right here with you. As the rest we fall until it all breaks down. But I need it so I will stay around when you're all messed up. It's a great relief to be understood. It's a shame still waters run deep. So let us walk right into the forest, to the trees and the rising sun. It is something we can't outrun.
This was the best cable car experience I ever had. This is the first island of the trip, the Pineapple Island. We just came to the beach part of the island, and oh my God, what a view.
I ain't got no money the first week of the month. Right up into orbit, my chicks, they all went by.
next one by boat.
All's what gold should be, but at the end of the day, the end of the day, it's all that matters. Oh, I pray just to feel good at the end of the day. Just to feel good at the end of the day. At the end of the day, you gotta feel good at the end of the day. It's all that matters. Oh, I pray just to feel good at the end of the day.
We left the second island. I had some swimming experience there, and I had a little accident too, but I'm fine. And now we are going to the third island, and this guide says that it's more beautiful and it offers better snorkeling and swimming experiences. So let's go and find out. Several islands, and it's totally magic. The final destination of our trip. Let's take a tour of this island, and then we will head back to the Phu Quoc city. This clear water touching these stones, this beautiful island, the greenery, all this is too good to be true. I feel like it's an imagination, a beautiful dream.
You're smiling, just really doing nothing. That's the thing I like about you. On the highway, it's our way, Route 66, and we keep on driving. We just do what we wanna do. Yeah, no, nothing's complicated with you. Hey, playing songs on the radio.
We just got back to Phu Quoc city port, and from here we will take the bus, and the bus will drop me back to the hotel. You have to remember one thing, that when you buy this 3 island or 4 island trip, the cable car trip is one way. The cable car is going to take you one way to the first island, and then it's all on the boat. You go to the other islands, and then you come back to the Phu Quoc city by boat.
The way that I get every time that I am with you. Your laughter takes me to heaven. I just wanna make you repeat it and repeat it again. Yeah, you make the sky